Welcome back. Today, we are going to talk about a very important topic, anxiety, why it happens, what causes it, and how energy healing may help you feel lighter, calmer, and more balanced. Many people think anxiety is only overthinking, but in reality, anxiety can come from many different reasons. Sometimes it comes from stress, sometimes from past trauma, sometimes from fear of the future, and sometimes from emotions that we have been holding inside for a very long time. Anxiety can make a person feel restless, worried, tired, irritated, or emotionally overwhelmed. Some people feel tightness in the chest, fast heartbeat, stomach discomfort, difficulty sleeping, or a constant feeling that something bad may happen. But remember, anxiety is not a weakness. It is a signal from your mind, body, and emotions that something inside needs attention, care, and healing. One major cause of anxiety is continuous stress. When a person is always under pressure, family issues, money problems, relationship problems, work stress, or daily responsibilities, the nervous system can become overloaded. The body starts staying in alert mode, even when there is no real danger. Another cause is past emotional pain. Sometimes painful memories, rejection, betrayal, childhood hurt, or unresolved trauma stay stored inside us. Even if we try to forget them, the body and subconscious mind may still carry that emotional weight. This can create fear, insecurity, and anxiety. Anxiety can also come from negative beliefs. For example, I am not good enough. I am not safe. Something bad always happens to me. I cannot handle life. These hidden beliefs can create fear inside the mind and body, even when life looks normal from the outside. Another reason can be emotional suppression. Many people do not express their sadness, anger, fear, or grief. They keep everything inside. Over time, these trapped emotions can build pressure, and this pressure may show up as anxiety, heaviness, panic, or emotional sensitivity. Now the question is, how can energy healing help? Energy healing works on the idea that emotional pain, stress, and negative experiences can affect our energy field. When the energy system feels blocked or heavy, a person may feel emotionally stuck, tired, or anxious. Through energy healing, the goal is to help release trapped emotions, clear negative energetic patterns, and bring more balance to the mind, body, and emotions. For example, in emotion code or body code healing, we may look for trapped emotions connected to fear, panic, worry, sadness, rejection, or past trauma. When these emotions are gently released, many people feel lighter, calmer, and more peaceful. Energy healing may also help clear emotional blocks from the heart area. Sometimes people carry a heart wall, which means emotional protection built from past pain. This can make a person feel disconnected, fearful, or unable to fully relax in relationships and life. When these layers are cleared, the person may feel more open, safe, and emotionally balanced. Energy healing can also support the nervous system by helping the body move out of constant stress mode. When the energy field becomes calmer, the mind may also start feeling more settled. But it is important to understand one thing clearly. Energy healing is not a replacement for medical care, therapy, or professional mental health support. If anxiety is severe, if you are having panic attacks, or if it affects your daily life, please also speak with a qualified doctor or therapist. Energy healing can be a supportive method. It can work alongside healthy habits like deep breathing, prayer, meditation, journaling, proper sleep, exercise, and professional guidance. If you are feeling anxious, ask yourself, what emotion am I holding inside? What fear keeps repeating in my mind? What painful memory still affects me? What belief makes me feel unsafe? Sometimes anxiety is not the real problem. It is the message. It is your inner self saying, please listen to me. Please heal what I have been carrying for so long. So today, take a deep breath and remind yourself, I am safe in this moment. I am allowed to heal. I am not my fear. I can release what no longer belongs to me. If you feel that your anxiety is connected to past emotions, trauma, relationship pain, fear, or negative energy, you can book an energy healing session. In the session, we can work on releasing trapped emotions, clearing energetic blocks, and helping you feel more peaceful and balanced. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more healing and self-growth content. May you feel calm, safe, and emotionally free. Call to action. To book your remote energy healing session, visit my website, link in description. Thank you.